Welcome to Tech Tips from Norfield. I'm Carl Lewis, Senior Service Technician here at Norfield. In this video, we're going to set up the rollers, keep them in line, and we're going to level the main bar on an older Rev Series Magnum. Level the main bar on a Magnum. The main bar is level relative to the top surfaces of the rollers that the door sits on. So the first thing I need to do is make sure that the rollers are at the correct height and that the tops of them are all level. Okay. So we'll start by putting a door in and looking to see what the distance is from the roller to the top of the post pocket. That distance should be approximately 12 3/8 inches from the top of the post pocket to the top of the roller. That needs to be approximately the same at both ends. Then we set the door across the tops of the rollers and roll it back and forth. Hopefully you've got a nice straight door. What we want to see is we want to see all of the rollers turning, and we don't want to be able to rock the door over any of the rollers. So then we know that the tops of the rollers are all level. If the top of the roller is not level, then it will need to be adjusted. This is the roller assembly on the Magnum. This is the roller and the spacer behind the roller. The roller assembly is mounted in a slotted hole in the frame. Slotted vertically, and then there's a big nut on the inside that's very tight. To adjust the roller, we can use a hammer and hit it either down or up to make the adjustment. Be careful to hit the spacer behind the roller only and not the roller. So now that we have the rollers adjusted so that they're at the correct heights, we can set the level of the main bar relative to the rollers. So I'm using a door that is already the specified undercut. If your undercut is 1/8 inch or 3/16, you need to use a door that is the finished dimension that you're going to use. With the door on the rollers, we can check the distance from the top of the main bar to the top of the door with a tri-square. That dimension should be 2 inches exactly. That gives you clearance for the hinge stops and the jamb and all the other necessary mechanisms. That dimension, of course, needs to be the same at both ends of the machine. The adjustment for leveling the main bar is here. There's 2 nuts on either side of this fixed tab here. So by adjusting the threaded rod either up or down, we can raise or lower the elevator post and raise or lower that end of the main bar. So the threaded rod will move with the main bar. We loosen the lock nut and adjust the main bar as necessary to level it up. There is, of course, an adjustment that is the same at the other end of the machine to adjust the other end of the main bar also.